Maar hulle word eers mos vanmiddag betaal, nee. Is reklame.
Nee.
Vrydag. O, moet jy dit nou gaan ingee of wat?
Dit ingegee word dat jy net wat kan deursit en dan naweek het hulle kan pluk.
O, okay. Right. Maar julle pluk mos hierdie naweek.
Ja, hierdie naweek gaan ons. Kyk, hierdie naweek gooi meneer Simon geld rond.
Gooi meneer Simon. Hoekom?
Drywe met af. Kyk, die mense ons Easter weekend.
Ja.
So ons gaan nie net mense hê nie. Die baas gaan hier kom staan met cash in sy hand.
Simon gaan so staan met cash. Sê man. Nomvaliso, morning. How are you?
I'm very well, and you?
Good. We're here again, huh? How's it going, Nomvaliso? All right?
It's going fine, but there are lots of raisins. Those dried ones must take.
Lots of raisins.
I'm studying this year, and there's a lot of things. So,
Is it?
yes, I'm studying.
What are you studying?
I'm finishing my matric. Next
Yeah?
year, I want to go to Elsenburg College to do winemaking.
Fantastic.
I want to be
Down at the cellar?
there. At the cellar.
Why?
I've been here for 4 years.
So you know it now?
I know what's happening here, so I want to know what's happening down there now.
There we go. Maar hoe oud is jy nou, Jan? Ja, 60 years old. He's done his fish here. En hoe lank is jy nou al in die wingerd? 17 jaar.
Dat je daar staat, Abu, kijk eens van de kaap toe.
Ja.
Ja, zo ook die view.
Dat is fantastisch, nee. Maar as jy kyk, daar's Tafelberg, nee?
Ja.
En Tafelberg is mooi skoon vandag.
Ja, het is een skoon.
En dan gaan hy af tot, dis mos Kaappunt daai. Daar so in die verte.
Ja.
So hierdie ding sit met soos 'n amfitheater, né? Ons plaas hierso. Sit mos so met die berg agter ons. Found a spot where there was 3G and cleared my emails. So it's been very productive, even out in the vineyards. Yeah, it's a bit of a bum office. It's you don't have a choice with your windows open or not. It's open.